Hello guys, I want to let us to trade Digit Match with this account, and let us see how it will grow. Let me change the Matinga. Pick jump 10. I'll be using jump 10 for this tutorial. I'll start the bot now. Let's see whether we can grow something with this account. Trade has started. Okay, you will be getting many losses, but the wins you get will cover the losses. A win will cover all the losses. Well, this strategy is not for everybody though. It's for people that can risk, and we have won now. It's very risky. It's a very risky strategy. We won that one once. Okay, I can see my network is getting stuck. It's getting slow. That's why the execution is not that fast, and you need a very fast internet for this strategy, because you want it to be picking this trade fast so you can match the digits. I think I have to stop the bot and start it again. Let me start the bot and stop it. So I've started the bot again. It requires a very fast internet, so the execution will be very fast. So you see, once we won that one, because I restarted it because of the network. So please subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description for any new updates like this. Any good another trade I will be taking. Starting. I will stop the bots after we won this cycle. If you need accounts management or any trading info, you need your questions, you can send me a message on Telegram. Join our Telegram channel, our community. We are the one printing profits regularly with different strategies. So you join our community, check the link in the description. I think I will stop the bot here. Have a lovely day. Thanks for watching.